Hi, my name is Martje from the Instagram channel Martje's Journal, and I am part of the Archer and Olive ambassador team. Today I want to show you how to give old packages new life. I will use these beautiful high quality boxes from Archer and Olive. You get these one when you order something from Archer and Olive. Once you have chosen your boxes, gather the supplies you want to decorate them with. Maybe some stickers, papers, washi tape, or a scissor from Archer and Olive. I will start with this big box. Let's start with decorating. This is the fun part. Start decorating your boxes slowly and try placing elements without glue first so you can move things around. By the way, this is a box I have already decorated and I think it's turned out so cute. I love to use the sticker from Archer and Olive. I want this package to become a gift box for a present for a friend. I like the result. You too? Now I want to decorate this little box with a magnet closures. I think that's the cool part. As you can see, the products from Archer and Olive and the packaging are very high quality. At the moment, this is my favorite washi tape I use for all my projects. Giving old packaging new life is a reminder that creativity doesn't always start with buying something new. Sometimes it begins by looking at what you already have with fresh eyes. Now I have a cute new storage box for my stationery. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!